Hey guys, in this video, I'll be showing you how you can create a camera panning effect on CapCut PC. Let's get started. Let's use this video as an example. First, drag and drop it into the timeline, then trim the video as needed. Next, move the playhead to the beginning of the clip. Go to the video basics, add a transform keyframe, and adjust the scale to zoom in a little bit. Move the playhead to the end of the clip. Now, in the preview screen, move the video to either the left or the right as required. Next, go to Effects and add the camera shake effect to the timeline. Adjust the duration to match the video. Here, you can adjust the speed a little bit for a smoother effect. I prefer to set it at 5. And there you have it. Your camera panning effect is now created in CapCut PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give this video a like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.